Dive into the heart of the South Pacific and discover the Kingdom of Tonga, an archipelago where adventure and tranquility coexist. Here's how to travel like a Tonga expert, with tips and tricks to make your journey unforgettable. Timing is everything. Visit during the dry season from May to October for outdoor adventures with minimal rainfall. But if humpback whales call to you, aim for the wet season, between July and October, to witness these magnificent creatures. Don't just stick to the main islands like Tongatapu and Vava'u. Venture out to the lesser-known isles for hidden gems and paradises less traveled. Each island offers its own slice of beauty, from Yua's cliffs to Ha'apai's tranquility. Immerse yourself in Tonga's rich heritage. Respect local customs, join a Sunday church service, and indulge in traditional dishes like ota ika. Learning a few Tongan phrases will endear you to the locals and enrich your experience. Tonga's natural splendor is precious. Choose eco-friendly stays, respect the reefs, and say no to products from endangered species. Your conscious choices help preserve this paradise for the future. The crystal-clear waters beckon. Dive into snorkeling, swim with whales, or catch the wind kiteboarding in Ha'apai. The underwater world here is vibrant and teeming with life, offering world-class diving spots like the Cathedral and Swallow's Cave. Swimming with humpback whales is a humbling, awe-inspiring experience. Ensure you're with a responsible tour operator, and remember to keep a respectful distance for a safe and unforgettable encounter. Island hopping is a Tongan must-do. Whether by leisurely cruise or speedboat, the journey reveals uninhabited islands and secret coves. Vava'u, in particular, is a yachting paradise. With landscapes and wildlife encounters so stunning, don't forget your camera. Capture the sunsets, the marine life, and the playful whales, all while practicing ethical photography. Finally, surrender to island time. Let go of tight schedules and embrace the slower pace. Flexibility and patience will transform your travel experience, allowing you to truly connect with the essence of Tonga.